Today we have discussed about the BTech first year of semester 2 AAS 203A. The subject name is Differential Calculus and Numerical Method. There are three GATE subjects of 45 hours to complete this subject. Course objective is understand the fundamental concept and solution technique of differential equation and apply them to solve engineering problem related to structural system. Now the second unit is apply Laplace transform techniques to solving differential equation arising in dynamics and vibration analysis of civil engineering structure. In 3, analyze the convergence of sequence and series using standard tests and relate them to numerical method used in structural analysis. In 4, develop the ability to analyze function of complex variable and apply conformal mapping concept to fluid flow and seepage problem in civil engineering. In 5, apply complex integration and residue theory to solve engineering problem involving statics, elasticity, stress analysis, and contour integration. This is the course objective. Now proceed from the course content of Unit 1. In Unit 1 have differential equation, linear differential equation of nth order with constant coefficient, Cauchy-Euler equation, solution of second order linear differentiation equation with variable coefficient by the method of variable variation of parameter, change of independent variable, normal form. This is all about of Unit 1 and their application is structural vibration analysis of building and bridge, deflection analysis of beam and columns. Now proceed from Unit 2. In Unit 2 have Laplace transform. In Laplace transform have definition of Laplace transform, existence condition, linearity property, Laplace transform for some standard function, 1 and 2 shifting theorem, without proof, change of scale property, Laplace transform of derivative and integral, periodic function, unit step function, inverse Laplace transform, partial fraction method, convolution theorem, without proof. Again, this is very important. Application of Laplace transform to solve ordinary differential equation, and the application is dynamic analysis of structure subjected to earthquake loading, vibration analysis of bridge and tail welding. Now proceed from Unit 3. In Unit 3 have sequence and series. In sequence and series have definition of sequences, monotonic sequence, convergence and divergence sequence, Cauchy sequence, necessary condition for convergence, tests of convergence, comparison test, ratio test, Ruby test, Rabi test, logarithmic test. Their application is convergence analysis in convergence analysis in finite element method. This was the FEM, numerical solution of structural analysis. Now proceed from Unit 4. In Unit 4 have complex variable differentiation. In complex variable differentiation have function of complex variable, limit continuity and differentiability, analysis function, Cauchy-Riemann equation, जिसको किस पे यूज होता है कार्टेशियन एंड पोलर फॉर्म पे, हार्मोनिक फंक्शन, Millin-Thomson method for constructing the analytic function, and the application is two-dimensional sewage flow through soil, potential flow around bridge piers and hydraulic structure. Now proceed from Unit 5. In Unit 5 have complex variable integration. In complex variable integration have complex integral, Cauchy integral theorem without proof, Cauchy integral formula without proof, Taylor series and Lagrange series, singularity residue of function, Cauchy residue theorem, evaluating the real definite integral, and the application is stress concentration analysis around tunnel opening and cracks, evaluation of contour integral and elasticity problem. Elasticity. Now this is all about of Unit 5. Now proceed from Course outcome statement of Unit 1. Solve higher order linear differential equation using appropriate analytical technique and apply them to structure vibration and deflection analysis of beam column